this video, we have covered about air, composition of air, properties of air, examples from our day-to-day life, uses of air, experiment on air, air pollution and its effects, and how can we prevent air pollution. To learn more about air, first we should know what is air. Air is present all around us. It has no color or shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. We cannot see or touch the air, but we can feel it. Air is made up of many gases and dust particles. The gases are 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and 0.97% other gases. The other gases which air contains. Here I have pasted an image on composition of air. Properties of air. Properties of air are: air has weight, air exerts pressure, air takes up space, air can be compressed, air is affected by heat. Now, as we know the properties of air, let us talk about it. Examples of properties of air from our day-to-day life. Examples are: air has weight. The gas cylinder used in our kitchen for cooking weighs 29.4 kg in total. So, the weight of the gas is 14.2 kg and the empty cylinder weighs 15.2 kg. Due to air around us, sound can be heard. That's why we are able to communicate with each other. Air pressure. It is needed for bicycles, cars and other vehicles due to air around us. Perfumes and air fresheners are spread in very small quantity, but due to air around us, they spread quickly. Due to applied air pressure, flush works in the toilet. Air exerts pressure. The pressure exerted by air on all bodies at all times in all directions is called air pressure. When air moves at high speed, it creates a low pressure area. The air can be compressed. Compressed air is made of the same air you breathe in and out, but that air is compressed into a smaller size and kept under pressure. When you take the atmospheric air and then physically forced it into a smaller volume, the molecules take up less space and the air is compressed. Air is affected by heat. Have you ever noticed how these heavy hot air balloons fly so high in the sky?
Hello everyone and my dear Ishita ma'am. I am speaking from Sara 5G. Today I am going to tell you about introduction and uses of air. So let's talk about our introduction. Introduction of air. So let's get started. Air is a matter present all around us. It is containing nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and other gases 0.97%. The two mainly gases are nitrogen and oxygen. Uses of air. Air is used in our cars like CNG and in our homes like LPG, that is used for cooking. So in cooking, LPG is used as gas. It is filled in cylinders. It is also used in train as air brakes. It is filled in a container like a capsule, and the capsule is filled with air like oxygen. So when the train brakes are failed, the air brakes are used. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.
Good morning. I am Shreyan Tiwari from class 5G. Today I am going to do an experiment on air. But first, what is air? Air is the most essential thing for all the living things. It contains nitrogen and oxygen and some other gases. It contains 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Now let us move to our activity. So let us start our activity. For this activity, we will take a container full of water and a plastic transparent bottle. Now we will open it like this and push it gradually in the water like this. Now see, no water is filled in this bottle. This is because the bottle was not empty. It was containing air inside it. This shows that air occupies space. But when we invert it slightly like this, the bubbles are escaping. It means the air is escaping out. Now the bubbles have stopped escaping, means air has escaped now. And thus the The water is filled in this bottle. The aim to show this activity was that the air occupies space. Hope you understand this activity and enjoyed it. Thank you.
Air pollution. In this PPT, I will tell you all about the air pollution. What is air? Air refers to the Earth's atmosphere. Air is a mixture of many gases and dust particles. There is no air in outer space. Air is a mixture of about 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.9% of argon, 0.04% of carbon dioxide, and very small amounts of other gases. What is air pollution? Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical, or biological change in the air. It is the contamination of air by harmful gases, dust, and smoke, which affect the plants, animals, and humans drastically. An increase or decrease in the composition of these gases is harmful to survival. How is air pollution caused? Air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from car and truck exhaust, factories, dust, pollen, mold, spore, volcanoes, and wildfire. The solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosols. What are the effects of air pollution? Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory disease such as emphysema. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. Some scientists suspect air pollutants cause birth defects. How to prevent air pollution? We can prevent air pollution by these simple steps. Reduce the number of trips you take in your car. Reduce or eliminate fireplace and wood stove use. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials. Avoid using gas-powered lawn and garden equipment. Use bicycle for traveling short distances. Use compressed natural gas (CNG) in vehicles. Thank you, Saurya Pandya, 5G.